Hey guys, it's Zay Money here, and today the art challenge starts now. So, yeah. Two of these, of course, is my design, and three of these are three new designs that someone made. So, I guess let's just begin. So, the OG design goes into a good tier. My design that I drew goes into also a good tier. Now these three. Okay, let's talk about them. This this one was from KJ animations. It was KJ something. It was KJ Anime G something. Go sub to him. So I like the stick. It's basically he does stickman stuff. So basically, okay, where should we start with this? He made a couple mistakes that I don't like. Like he didn't add my afro that I was talking about. Like I don't like how he didn't add the afro in there. You know what? I'm just gonna put it at an okay tier. If it if it was not like an animator or anything, or someone that does YouTube content or any content for that matter, or just do animations for fun, or just whoever not do animations at all, I would just put on decent. But since he's an animator and he does his best on everything, I'll put it at okay. I just don't like the hair design. Okay. Last two. We got this from Latherin. Thank you, Latherin, for making this design of me. And I like it. I love it. It's got my stick, my afro, and you add. I love when you be creative and add like a tiny bit of some different things to it. But I have to say, Latherin, even though you're a great artist, it's just so much reminds me of Sans. Like he's always does Sans stuff, like Megalovanias and stuff. And when he makes a design, it's always just Sans. And it looks like a Sans AU type of me. Usually when I think of me having like sharp teeth, like vampire teeth, like glowing like green eyes, but the eyes are black. But those really things mean anything? Kinda. Well, I'll just put on a great tier. And finally, the OG myself. This was from a streamer called Tails16. So go check him out. Just type in Tails16, and he does other content like Minecraft, and he wanted to draw my character. So let's just get started. And my character was supposed to be like Sonic. And oh my god, they did a fantastic job. I don't know what to say. They did a fantastic job. They added a Sonic twist to it. And I think that should be our first amazing tier, honestly. The only thing I don't like about it is it's too much like Sonic. Like the legs are like skinny. It's like it's like the legs are shriveled almost and wobbly. I love the boots though and the pose. It's amazing tier. It's not God, it's amazing. One thing they didn't add is my usual like button up thing, button up shirt with the other side being black and the gray is just full gray. I love how they add my afro and my green eye and my teeth. They did a fantastic job being creative. It's an amazing tier. Automatic amazing tier. So yeah, that's all my designs for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. See ya.